I'm making a journaling book from a large piece of craft paper. It is very fast into 2026. I feel like I have not really released my emotions enough through creative work or art on any aspects that you can see in my channel. I feel like I need to do journaling. I need to do some kind of a craft work, something that allows me to be free and without any expectation, and something to keep myself going. So that is the reason why I started this craft paper method. So this book, it is made out of a very big piece of craft paper. I folded it using a method that I found on Instagram by Madeline, and it feels very right because it is imperfect by itself, the gluing and everything, the textures you can see it is imperfect, and I feel like it is very human. It's very nice space for me to play around with. um, so this going to take me into different places, I guess. I'm going to take time to slowly finish it, just showing up and doing my work. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to fold the big craft paper into the journal book. I started off by folding the length of the paper into 4 parts equally. After that, I will change to fold the breadth of the paper also equally into 4 parts. Okay, after all the parts have been folded, I'm now opening up the paper ready to cut some of the parts within the paper so that I can fold them later. I will prefer to fold the paper into half and cut 2 pieces of paper at the same time. So now I am cutting the most bottom part first. And now the part that is nearest to the top. I'm now folding my paper the other way around to cut the center part of the paper. Now I'm folding the paper back again to make the last cut before I can fold up the whole journal book. The final cut is by the edge of the paper. This is the mini journal book mock-up that I've done from a very small piece of A4 paper. I want to try to fold it up first, put in all the numbers and see how it works, or if it can really works, and apply to a big piece of paper. And so far it does. So I realized that the numbers on the paper is very important, so I'm writing it down now with just a pencil, because when I fold up the paper later, the numbers will have to be facing me, and that is important, so I can make sure that I fold it the right way. If the number is facing the back, then that means I've not folded in the right way. And notice that the writings in the second row and the fourth row are all in the upright position. Numbers and wordings in the first row and the third row are facing the opposite direction. And that's the correct way of how it should be, because when we fold, they will be folded in the upright position facing us. So I'm now making the first fold of the back and the cover to be behind page 1 and 2. And next, page 2 will be folded to face page 1, and after that page 3 will be folded up in this manner. You can see that the number 3 is facing me and number 4 is facing me as well. Now I will fold page 4 over so that it will be collapsed into page 3, and page 5 fold back in this position. Okay, and now folding page 6 facing page 5, so I can see page 7 and 8 facing upright to me. And now folding page 8 down, collapsing down to face page 7, and now bringing in page 9 facing me. Now this part, I have to adjust the paper a little bit at the back so that page 10 can be folded down to collapse facing page 9, and when it collapses, page 11 and 12 will face me, and I will collapse page 12 over to see page 13 and 14, and page 14 will be the last page to see the cover at the back. And this is completed fold. The next thing I will do now is to put in white glue for every page. 2 will stick to 3, 4 will stick to 5, and so on. And I find this step to be very helpful because I am now doing a journal book. I will require thicker pages to hold up my different kind of collage work and different kind of fabric or materials I'll be using. So I started to mix some white glue, pour in some water, and spread the white glue over all the pages. And I did a sample to just show you the application. After the whole thing is done, I actually leave it overnight, clip it at the window to allow it to air dry, so I can be starting my journal ASAP. Okay, so I think this is a fun start to my journaling collage journey, and I'll just like to share with you. I hope that you can gather some information from this. If you are also interested to be doing some kind of a crafted journaling book like what I'm doing. As I edit this video today, I've already started my journaling in this collage book. It is very exciting because I start off with tea splattering or something like that, or coffee dyeing, some basic ways to fill up some textures or markings into the book. So I will be putting something into the journal book on a day-to-day basis on a required amount of time that makes me feel happy. So I will be taking videos and journaling the whole thing into video as well to share with you. So I welcome you to check back the next round for my journaling video. Well, at the same time, I also started doing sketch journaling where I record my trip in a vlog style and draw at the same time in a speed up way just to share with everyone. So I thank you for the time for watching the video until here, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.